Okay, we're at the factory and we are setting up the window for the first time. This is the stacker door. Oh, this is crooked, but I guess that's still working. So this is our first test for the stacker doors, and we're trying to figure out how to fit it in. Yeah, this pod is going on the water tomorrow. Well, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. So we need to get all this stuff sorted out. We're going to put the pod on the water with the windows in. So this is our first test to see that the windows actually fit, how to fit them, and see if any work needs to be done before we put them all in. So we have, I think there's 5 window sections like this for each half of the pod. You can just see here. So there's 5 sections over here and 5 sections over here. There's going to be a smaller section here and then a small section there. The ones at the sides here don't open, and these ones will open and they kind of stack all on this one side. So they'll come out to about here and they'll swing open into this kind of position right here. So, looks like we're making progress. I'm not sure actually. It looks like there's a huge gap. So I'm sure the guys will figure it out, but they need to figure it out today. Whose glasses are those? Whose glasses? Michael's or?
They're on the ground. We picked them up.
Oh. We're missing all the screws apparently. They have to be somewhere. That's the problem. They wouldn't have, because they disassembled them, they wouldn't have not sent the screws.
No, they wouldn't. They should have.
Okay, we're going to have to take this place apart and find those screws because they have to be here somewhere. It's okay, we'll figure it out. It's just another piece of the puzzle that, you know, there's always problems when you're building something or doing something. Always challenges that come up. You just have to face them and figure it out. And we'll figure it out. Okay, that was a fast fix. We found the screws already. So we found the Allen keys to fit them, and then the actual bolts. So let's take the camera down here so you can see. Okay, the first screws are in, so I think we're I think we're going to be good. That would potentially be a big problem if they didn't send the screws, but it just didn't make sense that they wouldn't have sent the screws with the windows, with the bolts. So I think emergency's over. There we go.